So this is the Ackee Freestyle Picking Championships. The only rule is no tools. Jumping, hands, kicking, whatever you want to do, but you got to get the Ackees down natural. This is it. Okay, Rat. We got all these nice Ackee here.
Yeah.
And we got to pick them, but no tools, just jumping.
No, you have to use tools.
No way. I see one right up there, kind of high. That's open, but I think I can get it.
No, not no.
And then there's another one right there. There's a few open ones.
Not no, Macho.
Yes. Watch this.
No, Macho cannot do it. Oh.
Ratty's warming up.
Oh.
Ready?
That one.
Easy. That's one. That was definitely some low-hanging fruit, but that's one. Boom.
That's one you reach. Ah. Ugh. Jump up again.
Ready?
Steady. Boom.
Back up. Two.
Ah.
I see a good one.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
Three.
I got you.
There's a really high one there. You think I can get it?
No.
Watch this. No tools, no tools.
I jumped on it. I just need to jump and grab the limb and give you.
There's an open one.
Yeah, just grab the.
Are you ready? No tools. No tools. Does this count though?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Get it. Yeah. Ah, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the limb.
Okay, no tools. Good.
There
we go.
got that limb. 1, 2, 3.
That definitely counts. That is a counter.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying a big one now. Watch out. Okay, move the block. I don't want to get mashed up. Okay. Ready, Ratty? This
Yeah.
is my biggest one. I'm spotting it. Oh, that's high. I don't think I can get it.
No, get
I
these.
feel like if I could slam dunk.
No, get these two right there. Tools right here.
Okay, yeah. I see. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, there's a lot of ants on it.
Yeah,
Here you go.
Whoa, one dropped out.
Okay. What else we got?
No,
Oh,
one.
I see 2.
One more.
Ready? I'm gonna do a 2 for 1. Yes! Doubles! Doubles! Yeah! Doubles!
How many we got now? We got maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7.
Is that enough for breakfast? No.
No.
How many we need, do you think?
We need some more.
Okay.
So we need to get the bamboo stick because we cannot reach it all.
I think there's a couple more I can get. And there's ants all over me. A lot of ants today. Jeez. Ah. There's a couple that are so high that I think I can get. There's one. It looks kind of mash up, but I think I can do it. Oh man, that's high.
That's why I said use the tool. Yeah, we got that too high.
Oh no.
Yeah,
I don't have a very good jump. Only on a skateboard.
like this. Maybe you can try the stick. So. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. Any more that we can get? Oh, I see one. I see one. I see one that's okay. All right, you start picking that way. I'm gonna start picking the other way. Boom!
Rotten.
Ew! No good.
You said boom. I said boo. no.
That's the one I was trying to jump, man. It didn't work.
But the bamboo man gets you.
Bamboo man got it. All right. So we got a few.
Come on, the bamboo man. You need to pick it up.
Whoa, power face. Get it.
Come on, get.
You're close. Whoops. Don't want to step on them. Oh, now you're straight up bashing. I'll try and catch it. Let's go pick those easy to get ones at Wani's.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, come on.
Do we need a tool or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, we need not need a tool.
Okay. That's pretty good.
Yeah, but we're gonna need a tool for real.
The Freestyle Talent Challenge. Freestyle Ackee Picking Challenge.
One dish.
Not bad. Half dozen?
Yeah.
No, that's pretty good. Not bad.
That looked like 20.
Okay, let's see what we can get on Wani's farm, because he's not going to come back for a little bit and they're going to be rotten if we don't get them. Alright, so the Freestyle Ackee Challenge, somewhat a success. Got a few. Now we're going to do it proper style with a bamboo pole. Makes it much easier. And yeah, I thought I could really jump and get that one. I was not even close. Worth a try. I did get some, yeah. 8? Okay, not bad. So this is Wani and RASTA's place. Big up to those guys. Coolest guys from Scotland that you'll ever meet. But they're in Scotland right now and they can't deal with these Ackee, so. Ratty's doing all the work. He's well experienced in this. I'm stepping in ants. I'm stepping in ants. Danger, danger. This is why I should not wear flip-flops. Ah! Oh my God. Deadly. And for the record, these are not the nice ants. These are the bite and burn ants. So I was casually stepping on that. I can't believe I got away with no bites. Or perhaps they didn't kick in yet.
I see it. I got a one.
Got some?
No, bad one. Bad one. No, some.
I take it back. One got me. It's starting to burn. Yeah.
Right up there.
Climbing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ninja on this time.
Ninja man. If I tried to climb on those branches, the tree would be coming down.
I'm going higher. Higher and higher.
Higher heights. Whoa! He is up there. It's getting buggy in that shade. So I'm hanging back here.
I need that bamboo stick.
Oh, there's ants even on the camera.
I want bamboo stick.
Coming down?
Yeah?
Okay.
I'm good.
Mm-hmm. These are some nice looking ones. Huge. Jamaica's national breakfast, here we come. You got a bag?
I don't need any bag.
Okay. That was good. You got a whole bunch. That's going to be kind of hard to find them in the grass.
Easy.
Oh yeah? I think Wani and RASTA need a goat to clean up their yard.
No, you need to chop it. You need to chop it down. I got goat.
Where'd you throw them? Where did you throw them?
Coming down there for them.
Okay. Oh, dude, mosquitoes everywhere. This is deadly in here. All right, you collect them. I gotta get out of here. Aha!
We're getting some more.
Nice one.
Probably some more. We got some more.
Any more?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But look, is there up in our tree and throw them down? Martin.
Let's go.
Yeah, boss. A lot of hockeys.
Mm-hmm.
But you carry the bamboo.
Okay. No problem.
The bamboo. Let's wipe down. Oh, what you did? This one doesn't open.
You picked it. I'm on stick duty. Stick duty here. You good? Oh, the old shirt bag technique. Smart.
Got it?
Yep.
Go, we up in the tree. We up
Mm-hmm.
in our tree trying to get it. We up in our tree pack, we go to get them in. I'm some down roll it.
I gave up. I was getting eaten by mosquitoes in there.
Yes.
Put them in ideas.
This is not the time for me in there. My blood's too
Sweet.
attractive.
So we have
Put them
to
in
put
IBS,
a long chouded.
Yeah, trouser
yeah.
time.
After match today.
Or I'm just gonna do it another day, not at
Yeah.
evening.
Matthew, come on.
Here.
Yeah, we gonna go pick some more. Come on.
I'm good.
More over here.
We got plenty. You do your thing though.
Yeah, over here we got some more.
I'm gonna go for a swim.
Yeah, and dig it out. Oh, that's one more, Matthew.
Just one more? Okay.
Alright, that's this one.
Yeah.
Come on. You shot.
Aha.
Aha.
Perfect.
Yeah, Matthew, we have enough for breakfast. Yeah.
Awesome. Good job.